You should back up your identification documents, your home ownership papers, your insurance policies, your financial records, and any warranties or manuals for major appliances and systems in your house. Think of your important papers like treasure that you never want to lose, because if your house ever floods or catches fire, those papers could be gone forever in just a few minutes. The documents you really need copies of are things like your birth certificate, your social security card, your passport, your house deed, your mortgage papers, and your home insurance policy. You also want copies of receipts and warranties for big purchases like your roof, your water heater, your air conditioning system, and any major renovations, because contractors and insurance companies will ask for proof later. Here's something most people never think about. Take photos or videos of every room in your house, including inside your closets and cabinets, because if you ever have a fire or theft, this visual proof helps your insurance company pay you faster and more accurately. Keep both a physical copy in a fireproof safe and a digital copy saved somewhere online so you have backups in 2 different places. This way, even if one copy gets destroyed, you still have the other one ready to go. One big mistake people make is only keeping paper copies and never scanning them, so if something happens to the house, everything is gone at once. The fix is simple. Just take a picture with your phone and save it to a cloud storage account. Another common issue is people forget to update their documents after a renovation, so their insurance paperwork does not match what their house actually looks like now. Make it a habit to update your files every year or after any big project. A lot of homeowners also forget to back up contractor contracts and permits, which can cause huge headaches if you ever sell your house, so always keep a folder, digital or physical, specifically for anything related to construction or repairs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.